A day with hunger is not starvation.
A day with hunger
is not starvation.
Break that down for me.
I interpret that to mean a day when you're not running yourself ragged does not mean you're failing or dropping the ball on a bunch of things. Like I think part of the reason why we don't know how to not be busy is that we think, wow, so I'm just sitting around. There's something I'm supposed to be doing. I should be doing something. Then we feel bad about it.
Yeah.
Then we're like, oh, there's some emails I haven't responded to. Oh, there's a deck I should be working on right now. Oh, I should be promoting this thing. And then we feel guilty.
We feel guilty for resting.
That's real.
That's absolutely
real life.